today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications, just click on it here. So then you come to next tip here. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to show spam blockade call notification. Click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean show spam blockade call notification disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.